So here are a couple of quick examples to show you what happens when you divide two numbers that have powers. So basically what happens is when you've got anything to the power x divided by that same anything to the power y, you get that same anything to the power x minus y. Basically, when you have two numbers that are the same, that have different powers, if you divide them, you simply take away the powers in the answer, and that's what you get. Let me show you what that means in simple numbers. So if you got 5 to the power 12 divided by 5 to the power 3, it becomes 5 to the power 12 minus 3. You take away the powers, which is 5 to the power 9. Here's a slightly more complicated example. You got 8x squared y to the power 9 divided by 2x to the power 6 y to the power 4. Just reading that makes it sound complicated, but if you break it down into its parts, it's pretty easy. First of all, what I did is I turned this divide into a fraction. Not that you have to do it really, it's just to show that it means the same thing, because not everybody realizes that this divide sign can mean the same as this fraction thing over here. So once you know that, let's just carry on. So you got this can actually be broken down into these separate fractions over here that are all timesing together, because if you had 8 over 2 times x squared over x to the power 6 times that, if you know how to times fractions, you realize that you just times the tops together, it becomes that, and times the bottoms together, it becomes that. And why did I do all of that? Basically, I wanted to break down the question into its easy parts. So basically I divide the numbers together, divide the x's together, and divide the y's together, and then it becomes really easy, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. X to the power 2 divided by x to the power 6, well, you just have to do 2 take away 6, because you take away the powers. So 2 take away 6 is minus 4, so you get x to the power minus 4, and y to the power 9 divided by y to the power 4 is y to the power 9 minus 4, which 9 minus 4 is 5, so y to the power 5. So basically that's the answer, 4x to the power minus 4, y to the power 5, the answer to this stuff divided.